everyone! We're going to start with all the dry ingredients, the cake flour, the white sugar, the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, Today we're going to make a delightful treat that all sure will satisfy your sweet tooth, the ube halo-halo cake. Ube, also known as a purple yam, is a popularized ingredient in Filipino cuisine, and it's becoming increasingly popular to the world of baking. Come and join me and let's dive in and make my own ube halo-halo cake. We're gonna start, mix all the dry ingredients together with the wet ingredients. We're going to start to put my favorite ube halaya, the purple yam, 8 ounces of purple yam made from scratch. We're gonna put the buttermilk, also made from scratch, from lemon and fresh milk. And we're going to put the vegetable oil and 3 eggs. We're going to put the 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and the unsalted butter, room temperature. And we're going to put 2 teaspoons of ube extract. Look how colorful it is. It looks so pretty. And then we're going to put in a mixer and mix until well combined. While you're doing the mixing, you need to preheat your oven. The temperature is 325 because we're gonna use aluminum pan. The size is 3 by 8. And when it's well combined, we're gonna put it on the aluminum pan. But first, we're gonna grease the pan so it's easy to remove when it's done baking. And I also put parchment paper in the pan so it's really easily to remove it when it's done baking. Then pour out the cake batter into aluminum pan. Pour out the batter into the greased round pan. Bake in a preheat oven for about 65 minutes until it's well done cooked. And look at that. And wait for the part 2. Thank you for watching.